Ready to torch fat fast? Get ready to push your limits and break a serious sweat. This is the 10-minute HIIT challenge. No equipment, no excuses. Whether you're at home, in the park, or on the go, you can jump in and get moving. Just sweat, burn, and results in record time. Feel the burn, embrace the challenge, and see the transformation. Let's go, FitQuest fam. Your journey to a fitter you starts now. Here's the plan. 5 intense bodyweight moves, 40 seconds work, 20 seconds rest, 2 full rounds. Ready? Let's crush this. Keep those knees high. This is where the burn begins. Feel the intensity building up in your legs, the muscles working hard. This exercise is fantastic for boosting your heart rate and building endurance. Imagine yourself getting stronger with each lift. Push through the discomfort, and remember, this is where progress is made. High knees are not just about speed, they're about control and power. Visualize your goals and keep moving forward. Modify if you need to, but don't quit. You've got this. It's perfectly okay to take a moment to catch your breath or adjust the intensity. Listen to your body, but don't let it stop you. Every step, every movement counts. You're building resilience and strength. Keep your eyes on the prize and stay motivated. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. Small steps lead to big changes. Stay light on your feet, core tight, breathe through it. Focus on maintaining good form and balance. Your core is the powerhouse of your body, so keep it engaged. Deep breaths will help you stay calm and centered. Feel the rhythm of your movements and let it guide you. This is your time to shine, to push your limits, and to discover your true potential. Keep going, you're doing amazing. Round 2, time to level up. Can you go harder? Let's find out. Push through those lunges. Hit every rep like it's your last. Done. That's how you torch fat in 10 minutes. Quick, powerful, effective. Stretch it out, grab some water, and give yourself a fist bump. You earned it. If you loved that burn, hit like and let us know how you felt about today's workout. Your feedback helps us create even better content for you. Drop a fire emoji in the comments to show your support and share your experience. We love seeing your reactions and hearing about your progress. And don't forget to subscribe for more challenges, workouts, and fitness tips. By subscribing, you'll never miss out on our latest videos designed to keep you motivated and on track. Join our community of fitness enthusiasts who are all about having fun while getting fit. From group classes to solo sessions, there's something for everyone. This is FitQuest, where your journey just got stronger. Keep pushing your limits and stay tuned for more exciting content. Together, we can achieve our fitness goals.